Hey guys, welcome back to the class. Since we are in the process to complete the assignment under enterprise structure, so let's continue our journey in order to complete the assignments. So for that we need to type the SPRO first, then go to the implementation guide, try to locate enterprise structure, then expand the assignment tab. So from the just quick recap, as of now we have completed financial accounting, controlling, logistic general, sales and distribution, material management, and today I am going to cover logistic execution here. In logistic execution we need to perform only two steps, which is there on right on your screen, the first and the last one under the logistic execution tab. For definition you can still take the help from the documentation tab. Okay, so let me execute to make the assignment between warehouse number to plant and storage location. Try to execute it. Click on the new entry. So we have RCC1 as a plant, then we need to provide the storage location, which is going to be RCC1, and the warehouse would be RCC or maybe RC1. Let me find out. Our system is not showing any results, so let me find out in other way. So I'll say RCC as a warehouse. Perfect. So I can see RCC warehouse for RCC1 company code. Then try to hit enter and save the records. That's all. That means you have made the assignment between plant, storage location and warehouse. Now this combination can be used for the stock movements. For the next step we need to go one step back, then click on the assigning shipping point to plant. Execute this record. This is quite different screen, so we need to use Control F button, then try to find out your plant. So this is your plant, then select this plant, double click on the plant here, then this window will appear. So what exactly we are doing? So we are doing the assignment of plant with the shipping point. So try to find out the shipping point. Let me try to find out with the Control F. Perfect, I can see this is there. So let me select this, with the help of small tick. Try to click OK. Then you will be able to see that your RCC1 plant has been connected with the RCC1 as a shipping point. Okay, so this is how you can make the assignment for the shipping points to plants. Let me do this assignment for one more plant. So this time I'll search my another plant, which is RCC2. Try to find out that plant, but system is saying there is no entry. Maybe I'll go one step back, but before that I need to save the record. Then go one step back, then try to execute the records once again. Control F, RCC2. So I can see there is no entry. Maybe I need to create the another plant or shipping point here, then only system will show me that results. Perfect. But we have already completed the assignment between plant and shipping point. So the step would be, the moment you land on this screen, you need to use Control F, then find out your plant. The moment you have plant here, maybe I'll try to repeat. Then we need to double click on the plant. The next screen would appear like this. Then we need to use again Control F. Try to find out the another location, like I am doing this search for the RCC2. Hit enter. The moment you select, then you need to tick this box. If I'll tick this box right away, then under RCC1, RCC2 shipping location, the shipping point will get assigned automatically. In this way you can make the assignment between shipping point and plant. I hope this will give you the clear visibility to make the assignment between the plant and the shipping point. I think that's all from the today's class. In my next class I am going to make the check under consistency check, and with the help of this tab I'll be able to find out what is the healthy status of my enterprise structure. If there will be no error, then definitely we are good to go for the next the step in order to start the dedicated modules. Till the time, please try to complete your homework, your assignment, until the enterprise structure In case if you have any question, then please feel free to connect with me over the email, or you can also use the chat section. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.